Oh, just showed Joe you have your tooth there all formed.
Look at that.
Look at that shit. Look like
Holy shit.
Danger Aaron style, like from fucking Jackass.
How'd you do that?
Eating chicken, man. I should have known that.
Ah, chicken, man. That's tough.
What am I doing?
I don't know yet. I'm thinking about a mullet.
A mullet?
I mean, it's
I'll do whatever you want
there
to do.
you go. Do it. Oh, Joey.
Fucking mullet. Yeah.
When's the last time you did a mullet here, Joey?
I did one actually this winter. I had a guy come in. I said, "How you want your haircut?" Like I always do. And he said, "Give me the trashiest fucking mullet."
That's what Mike should have said.
I was like, "For real?"
Make it extra trash.
Yeah, extra trash. I was like, "For real?"
There's a trailer on that.
He was like, I got a bet at my job. If I show up tomorrow with a trashy mullet, I'll win like $50. I was like, all right, man.
I'll do it.
Dude, my hair has been so tangled up and shit. It's never been this long in my life.
No, he used to always shave his head all the time, man.
Yeah, I used to.
He
roll
hated
with
hair,
with
period.
buzz.
Yeah, I'm the same way, man. I like to get up and go.
I had a mullet when I was living in the hood. When I had my dirt bikes down there, so I was so backwards.
You did have a mullet back in the
I
day.
did, and then rocking Metallica shirts, riding dirt bikes in the hood all over the streets. Dude, oh man, I can see it coming in.
Oh, it's coming in. It look good.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be fabulous. He didn't even bust out the scissors yet.
Yeah. This is preliminary stages here.
I'm saying,
Right, we're filming this thing out.
man.
And you own the Red Circle?
Yeah,
the
that's
car
me.
place?
Yeah.
So how are you? You say you're not busy. Like how the fuck you own the Red Circle and you're not busy?
I go skirt pond.
Yeah, he don't run it.
I got a manager that is pretty good.
I love Skirt. I know.
Yeah,
He comes in here and gets
yeah.
his haircut sometimes.
Oh, does he?
Yep, when he can find time. He is a good dude.
Yeah, because he's too busy running Mike's business.
Yeah, he's a great dude.
He is.
Dude, yeah.
I love him.
I didn't even know.
How many do you want?
Dude, it's so achy breaky.
How many appointments do you
Dude, it's the
need?
funniest haircut I've ever seen. Dude, it's coming back, man, because it's funny. You know what I mean? Like, that's how people started to rock
I
it.
always hear, like, all these YouTube guys are doing it, so I feel like I got it.
Oh, yeah, like,
Cletus.
and them. See, they're all doing it because it's funny, you know?
Yeah.
And the Cletus, obviously, it works with his character.
See, the thing is, those guys all try to pretend they're rednecks, but I really am one.
I know, but you're on the surface, you're not, but you go to your house, and it's so trash.
It's bad,
It is, I'm like, inside,
You
I
do
feel
not come across to me as a redneck.
the inside this house, I feel like I'm in a trailer. But it's a house.
Yeah.
So that's it. I'm like, where the meth lab at? This
I'm
motherfucker.
a unique guy. I'm like a hippie redneck. How does that work?
I don't think any of us fit in any class or category.
Does it work for you? Oh, man. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I missed like that whole cut, man.
Jesus Christ.
I missed the whole.
I don't know how long it's gonna stay.
How
like
about?
that.
Are you doing anything with the back though? You want trip? Do you want that? I think
I
it's
don't
dope.
No, yeah, you leave the fucking
I think
trash.
Just leave it. Just leave it.
Yeah.
So you gonna come back next Saturday and get that finished up?
Get it
Probably.
polished.
I probably will be back soon.
Yeah.
I'll be back like tomorrow knocking
Come
on
on.
the door.
No,
Like,
you
"Man,
got a house.
change it."
You don't have to. You
You
don't
want
have to
that
pay
thing
for it.
like shaved off?
Oh
next
my
week or
God.
something? Come on by.
Oh, look at you! Look right in the camera. Look at that! Wow!
Yeah.
Don't tap my heart, my achy
Fucking
breaky.
achy heart, man.
No, we gotta
All
cut
this hair.
We gotta cut the vinyl, make you a shirt, dude.
Yeah, man.
Oh my
Hashtag achy breaky.
I'm going straight to the cave tonight,
Dude.
boys.
The cave and follow up with West End.
And West End.
He pulling out the 200 calories a night, dog.
This shit is sick. Yo, Bear's gonna poop his pants when we get home, dude.
It actually works on you,
Dude, it's
though.
gonna
You can still get laid. I'm serious.
Oh
I don't.
my God.
Anything works on you, dude.
Yo, and every time I start laughing, then I see this too.
That's why you had to get the mullet. And you had to because
Oh,
of two.
shit.
It
It's
got-
so bad, dude.
I'm ready to jelly hook you up, dude. I told you.
There's some people here at the house now, so I'm gonna walk in here and show off my new haircut. Face them all.
Yes!
What the hell,
Fuck!
mullet?
Yes!
Really?
Fuck yeah!
Dude, it's pretty much the dopest haircut
I've
ever seen in my life.
It is the dopest shit I've ever seen myself.